Prototyp Week is the heart and soul of Prototyp. It's where we all get together and practice rapid prototyping and ideation.
A week of play, but for engineers. So we just build things that we're interested in, to learn new things and to try new things out. We found this AI algorithm, which was super hot, called Stable Diffusion. And we thought, how can we take this very, very technical thing into something that is enjoyable for like the average person?
We got this idea early on, even before the Prototyp Week, because we have a couple of lunches beforehand to kind of get the ideation kickstarted.
We were really interested in this challenge of using Stable Diffusion for something that is nice and enjoyable. So we thought of making a music quiz.
We're using a pretty new machine learning model for creating images from natural language prompts.
So basically, we take the artist name or the title of the song or the chorus and put it into this Stable Diffusion algorithm, because you put in text and you get out an image. So then we get these images and then we can play it as a music quiz. So you get one image, and if you can guess the song with that, you get 10 points. If you say like, okay, I need another hint, then you get another image, maybe for the title, and then you can guess it, maybe then you get 8 points, and so on.
The main thing that surprised me was how good the results are. I haven't really worked with machine learning models a lot before, so it was really interesting to set it up. We're getting the playlists from Spotify, we're using a Genius API to look up the lyrics, we're splitting those up and then using Stable Diffusion to generate the images, and we have a front end for the actual game. I mean, the main challenge was, I guess, the amount of work we needed to do. We chose fairly safe tech to work with, stuff we knew from before, but there are a lot of moving parts.
The hardest part was deciding on what not to build. But then it was really hard to say, like, okay, but this is a nice to have for later, and this other thing is really important for now. So to just start with the fundamentals and build from there.
I think Prototyp Week is the reason that a lot of people work here. And I think it's the reason a lot of people stay. I think it's rare. I don't think a lot of companies spend this amount of time on something that's not immediately profitable.
I think this week is really important because we basically play together, and there is a lot of pressure, but the pressure is only coming from inside, not from a customer or some deadline that someone else sets, but really just we want to get this done.